In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time zone in Google Ads. This is a common question among Google Ads users because managing campaigns across different time zones can make a significant difference in performance tracking and budget management. So let's dive in and simplify this process for you. First, you'll want to begin by heading over to your Google Ads account overview page. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard with various options. This page is your gateway to managing all aspects of your Google Ads campaigns. From here, we can easily navigate to where we need to go for time zone adjustments. Once you're on the overview page, you need to hover over the admin section. This is typically located in the top right hand corner, represented by a gear or wrench icon. Hovering over this section will give you a drop down menu displaying several account management options that allow you to configure your account according to your operational needs. Next, from the drop-down menu, click on Account Settings. This is a crucial step because Account Settings is where you can access detailed configurations, including time zone settings. Once clicked, you will be directed to a new page that lists all of your current account settings. After entering the Account Settings page, you'll see various tabs for different settings. What you'll want to do is find the tab specifically marked Time Zone. Unfortunately, it's important to note that Google Ads does not allow a direct change to the time zone for an existing account because it affects the reporting and data analysis. This is where it's crucial to understand the bigger picture. If you find that a time zone change is essential for your strategy, Google Ads requires you to create a new account altogether. This may sound like a daunting task, but it's relatively straightforward. During the setup of your new account, you'll be prompted to select your desired time zone. It's on the billing setup page where you can ensure you're aligned with the correct time zone for your business needs. Here's a useful tip. When setting up your new account, double check that all campaign settings align with your marketing strategy to avoid unnecessary complications. And there you have it. Once your new account is set up with the appropriate time zone, you'll be able to manage your campaigns without the oversight of time discrepancies. Remember, seamless campaign management is all about precision and understanding the tools at your disposal. By setting the correct time zone, you're taking an important step in optimizing your ad performance and ensuring that reporting is accurate and actionable. So take a moment now to align your Google Ads account with your operational time zone seamlessly. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.